Oh yeah, level the vibe, we got to level the vibe. Reggae come to rock you tonight. Cause if I mash you on the car, don't get black and go on. It's only reggae music, keep us cracking on the feet. Skip and scan to the reggae and bang bang. You man, sorry if I'm wrong, whoa. Level the vibe, we are level the vibe. Sweetness tonight, oh yeah. Level the vibe, we got to level the vibe.
Pull up General, how you say?
Acapella.
There's the chair.
She hold on and not let go.
And Daddy say she's have to stay.
Even if my pocket should not run out of money, the both of them, I mean, the whole world. And then when I want it, can't get it, don't want it.
You don't want to lose it, oh no.
After I took the risk of giving my love to win some,
She left and roll off and come with John.
so now you have to go to it, you must be crazy. You know brothers, you know sisters in this life, you got to be conscious. So true to political fiction. True to political fiction. You're the man guy.
Different segregation. So many times we have to victimize, and so many times they try to criticize by scandaling and counter a name, try to bring another life to shame, but we now play the game. Together we suck the cup once more, so we are one big family.
Believe me, definitely. Thank you.
Yeah.